tank is filled up, stomach is filled up. Time to go on the trail. Finish section 32. Hopefully it'll be as nice as yesterday. Talk to you later. Well, it sure looks like I'm going up there behind, like all the way to the top somewhere here. So it's gonna take a while. And now, time to go down. So I just arrived in Telluride from Ouray, 18.5 miles, 5 hours. That was pretty slow, to say the least. Up and down, pretty stressful. So I'm gonna keep going and see if I can finish the section today. I still have a way to go, so maybe I'll stop in a way. That's it. Raspberry. Time to collect a little bag. I think I found a good spot for the night. What do you think?